Let's play a game. Give me a slow, dramatic blink if you've ever done this. Starting tomorrow, I'm gonna be a whole new person. Yeah, me too. But somehow, new me always ends up looking suspiciously like old me, just hungrier and more mildly ashamed. We all have habits we want to build or break. But let's be honest, if habits were people, the good ones show up late, leave early, and require multiple reminders. The bad ones, they show up uninvited, eat all your snacks, and then sleep on your couch for 3 years. So today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to build good habits, break bad ones, and finally stop repeating the cycle. No shame, no pressure, just real, helpful stuff, and probably some bad jokes. Let's get into it. Part 1. Why we keep falling backwards. Let me tell you about Dave. Dave is a perfectly average human. He drinks coffee, forgets passwords, and once tried to learn Spanish because Duolingo yelled at him. One day, Dave wakes up and declares, "I'm going to become a morning gym guy." You know the type. Protein shakes, matching socks, motivational quotes in their email signature. Day 1, Dave sets an alarm, wakes up early, goes to the gym, crushes it. Day 2, still riding high, slightly sore, but feeling smug. Day 3, hits snooze, says he'll go at lunch, doesn't. Day 4, says I'll start again Monday. Monday, next month. Why did Dave fail? Not because he's lazy, not because he didn't want it, but because he did what most of us do. He relied on motivation, which, let's be honest, is like trying to power your house with birthday candles. What really runs the show is routines. Habits aren't built by hyping yourself up. They're built by repeating the right actions in small, sustainable ways. That's what we're going to focus on. Part 2, how habits really work. Habits follow a pattern, always. It's kind of like a vending machine. Cue, something triggers you. You see a vending machine, your stomach growls. Action, you respond. You press a button and get chips. Reward, your system logs it as a win. Crunchy, nice. Do this a few times and guess what? You don't even think. You see chips, you push the button, boom, you're a chip zombie. This is good news because it means we don't need to fix ourselves. We just need to mess with the machine. Part 3, building good habits. Step 1, make it obvious. Your environment is sneaky. It influences you constantly. If your goal is to read more, but your books are hiding under your laundry, guess what you're gonna do? Not read. Probably just wash one sock and call it a day. Fix? Put the book where you can't miss it. On your pillow, next to your coffee, in your fridge if necessary. Make the habit unavoidable. Step 2, make it fun, or at least not terrible. Let's say you want to work out, but you hate working out. Why force it? Turn it into a game. Dance, skip, wrestle your dog, do squats every time there's a commercial. If it feels like punishment, your body will revolt. But if it feels like play, even a little, you will keep coming back. Step 3, make it tiny. This is where most people mess up. They try to start habits at level 100. Like, I'm gonna meditate for 30 minutes every day. My fellow human, you can't even sit still at red lights. Start ridiculously small. Try the starter step method. Instead of, I'm gonna run, try, I'll put on my shoes and step outside. That tiny step counts. And 9 times out of 10, you will keep going. Step 4, make it satisfying. You need a reward system. You're not a robot. You need a little dopamine dance. Some people use habit trackers. Some people draw big red X's on calendars. I once knew somebody who gave themselves a grape every time they did their habit. Just one grape. They were thrilled. Find a way to tell your system, hey, that was great. Let's do that again tomorrow. Part 4, breaking bad habits. Now the hard part. Let's say you want to stop doing something. Scrolling, snacking, arguing with strangers online, spiraling into YouTube rabbit holes. Here's how to reverse the process. Step 1, make it invisible. You can't eat cookies you don't have. You can't scroll TikTok if you uninstall it. You can't binge Netflix if your TV is covered in glitter and shame. Set up your environment so the old trigger isn't around. Out of sight equals out of pattern. Step 2, make it unappealing gently. Instead of guilting yourself, try changing the story. Don't say, I'm so bad for eating this junk food. Say, this food makes me feel groggy and I'd rather feel good. Flip the reward into something you actually want. Step 3, make it awkward. Add a layer of just enough inconvenience. If you're trying to quit late night snacks, put them in a container with a combination lock. Or have a friend hide your game controller in weird places. Where did you put it? Under your bathroom sink next to the plunger. Suddenly, that bad habit's not so easy. Step 4, make it unsatisfying, creatively. Here's a fun one. Create a habit buddy contract. Instead of paying someone if you mess up, agree to send your buddy the worst selfie you've ever taken. The cringier, the better. Nobody wants their double chin plus sleepy face plus weird angles selfie archived forever. That's real motivation. Part 5. How long does this take? So, how long does it take to change a habit? It depends, but on average, 66 days is what research suggests for a habit to become automatic. That's a little over 2 months. Not a week, not next Monday. So give yourself time. And if you mess up, that's fine. Just don't quit. Remember, progress isn't a straight line. It's more like a toddler learning to walk while holding a juice box. Part 6, putting it all together. Let's recap our upgraded habit building plan. Make good habits obvious, fun, tiny, and satisfying. Make bad habits invisible, unappealing, awkward, and cringy to repeat. Don't expect perfection. Expect patterns. Stick with it for at least 66 days. Laugh through the process. Seriously, you'll need it. Habits aren't about becoming a new person overnight. They're about becoming the kind of person who keeps showing up. One grape, one walk, one skipped scroll at a time. So what's one habit you're starting or breaking after this video? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped you at all, hit the like button so more people can escape the snack-destroying, scroll-inducing spiral. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Probably not covered in cookie crumbs. You got this.